every single person that I've met with often has a challenge around getting motivated to get things done in some capacity. Waiting to be motivated is kind of a load of crap, if you'll excuse the French, because so many people stay stuck waiting for some magic to hit them where they're going to feel excited and enthusiastic about doing things that they've been resisting or avoiding. The truth is, motivation comes from momentum. If motivation comes from momentum, one of the fastest ways that we can get motivation is to take some action. Often, when we get started taking some action, we start to feel that momentum. We start to get excited about what we really need to be able to do. We produce results as well. And when we produce results, we feel really good about that. And we want to go and do some more. One of the reasons why I coined the phrase actionation is because I got so frustrated listening to people hold themselves back, waiting for some magic wand or magic pill of motivation when all they really needed to do was to start.